So we've just woken up and it's raining. Can't believe, like, 3 times a year in Egypt, and one of the times is today that it rains. You looking forward to the dive, Jacob? Yes. Sweet. Boat to boat, innit? What? Boat to boat. Going mad deep.
Still cloudy.
Yeah, but it's going to be nice and sunny there. So. Also, we didn't have wetsuits this morning, even though it rained, which is bang. Kitting up now. Tank, PCD. Make sure this is strapped in nice and tight. You don't want this floating off when you're in the water. Then you attach the regulators to the tank. Make sure that's all nice and tight. This one in here, like so. So that's not going to come out. Extra regulator. Shows me how much air, so we'll do that in a minute. Got out from a dive. We're just waiting for Jacob to get out because he's snorkeling around. But we're going to go back in for like a 20-minute night dive when it just gets, the sun goes down a bit more. We've got torches, which should be, it's quite exciting. But yeah, it's getting quite chilly. Third dive today. Just going to do 2 tomorrow. this clip, we're just going snorkeling with the turtles at Abu Dabab, but as you can see in this clip, it can get quite crowded, and if you're not careful, you can actually drown, because obviously they still need to come up for air. I think this video is quite a good example of that, because you can just see all the dust around the turtle. I avoided that turtle, swam off and found my own one, which is how I get these next few clips. So ignore the really white face because I've just put some sun cream on, but we did a turtle dive this morning. It was so good. Lots of turtles on the eelgrass. It took about 20 minutes to get there on the boat. Only thing that is a bit like iffy, it's just like so many people went to that first turtle. I think I got some GoPro footage. It's just like a massive sand being kicked up, and there's like 8 people around one turtle, which is a bit nuts, to be honest. I got lucky, I found one on its own before anyone else saw it. It was like quite a little bit off from the main group, so I went and did that one. I got a few nice ones of that one, which is sick. I managed to get some good ones of that. Super happy with some of the shots that I got. I think black and white will be the way to edit, to be honest. Yeah, I think I'm about to go and do another dive. Might do another one after that, not sure. Yeah, might just do 2 today. 3 yesterday. I think I've done 3 every single day so far, so yeah, just 2 today, and then I'll go back to doing 3 or 4 tomorrow. But yeah. Today we're going on a boat dive. It's about 6 and we've got to get ready for 7. Then we get a minibus down the coast, get on the boat all day, 2 boat dives, lunch on the boat, so it's like a proper hard boat, instead of the soft ones that we've been going out of here, which is going to be so much fun. It's like a one-day liverboard sort of thing. Yeah. And hopefully we might see dolphins. Yeah, I'm just going to pick up the camera now and then I'll go and have some breakfast. Bad boat this. Jesus Christ. Day in luxury, I think. Big old backflip. It's kind of mad, this. There's so many unbuilt buildings, and then there's a huge tourism industry as well, where, yeah, it's different to Zimbabwe in terms of like African wealth. So many unbuilt buildings. Military guards. There's a guy with a bulletproof vest with a bullet hole like marks in it.
But during the day, if we see them in the lagoon, so this means that they are coming.
Technically that was my 5th time within my life, so like, that's mad.
There's just been a power cut. All the lights just gone off, and we're about to go in for dinner. And like, you can't even see me at the moment. I was just in the toilet washing my face to get all the sun cream off, and the restaurant block's just there. Oh, it's back. Lol.